Hi and welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. So today I'll be showing you a video on how to log in as a parent and as a student. But firstly, let's go through the scenario. Say you are a parent that has two children, might be learning in the same school or in two different schools, and these two schools have subscribed to the Student Tracker app, meaning that we can agree to when you want to log in to see the performance of both your children, we'll use two different student ID numbers that it doesn't confuse the system. You'll be given two options. Your first option can be using the same cell phone number for the first student. Then the second student, you will add a 0 in front of your first 0 of your cell phone number. For example, it can be 032-587-2291 for the first student. Then your second student can be 0032-587-2291. Or you can choose to use an alternative number for the second student if you feel like the 00 might confuse you. So now let's start with our video. Now we have a parent named Lloyd Hlongwane. Lloyd Hlongwane has two students, namely Kufuma Hlongwane and Mufumi Hlongwane. So now Lloyd will be logging in to his account as a parent, wanting to see the information of Kufuma Hlongwane. So you'll first use his contact details with 10 digits. Then your password will be the one that you were provided with. Then you log in. So now he has successfully logged into his account, but seeing Kufuma's information. As you can see, the names is Lloyd Hlongwane and that is his contact detail for his first student. So now Lloyd wants to see the information of his second child, Mufumi. Then you'll go click your icon, profile icon, then you press log out. When you log out, now you want to enter into the second student's information. So he will start with 0032-587-2291 as his student ID. Then password is the same password, but you are advised to change your password. Then now he logs in, goes into his profile. As you can see, his student ID was the one that he typed in. So now you're a student. Now it's Kufuma logging in into his account as a student. So you'll log in with his contact details, his parents' contact detail, then password will be the one that they were provided with. Then he logs in. So now this is the account of the student. As you can see, the menu, it only shows what the student should see. Then when you click on your profile, you will see that Kufuma sees his details right there. So now Mufumi wants to log into his account. So now Mufumi will type in his student ID. As agreed, they used the parent cell phone number, but because we want to see Mufumi's information, meaning that Mufumi will be using the 00 number than the password that he was provided with. Then he logs into his account, sees the same menu, then goes to his profile, then confirms that this is his account. As you can see, it says Mufumi Hlongwane and his email or his student ID. So that's it for today. In case you might need some help in logging into your account, please contact this number at 064-520-7785. Thank you and see you next time.